Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest gadgets to make your life easier. Today, I'm super excited to share with you the top 5 cordless vacuums that will revolutionize the way you clean your home. From deep cleaning power to lightweight designs, these vacuums have it all. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. Dyson V15 Detect. Engineered for deep cleaning at home, this vacuum cleaner truly boasts unique features. Firstly, the powerful suction and long battery life of this vacuum cleaner allow you to thoroughly clean your home from top to bottom. If you have pets at home, this vacuum cleaner is a perfect fit for you. With up to 60 minutes of continuous usage, this vacuum cleaner maximizes battery life through its power-saving trigger. And with a laser light that reveals even the unseen dust particles, you can clean every nook and cranny with precision. Thanks to Dyson's smart technology, the vacuum adjusts suction power automatically based on dust levels and floor types, ensuring the most effective cleaning. The LCD screen displays scientific evidence of deep cleaning and shows the remaining runtime. Plus, its ability to convert into a handheld vacuum for cleaning cars, stairs, and furniture is a major advantage. Equipped with 2 advanced cleaning heads, it uncovers hidden dust while deep cleaning carpets and hard floors. Additionally, an innovative hair screw tool makes it easy to clean pet hair. The machine's filter traps particles and dust as small as 0.3 microns, keeping the air in your home clean. And the washable filter can be reused throughout the machine's lifetime, reducing waste. With a 2-year warranty and lifetime Dyson support, this product is truly an essential cleaning tool for every home. Click the link for more information. Remember, cleaning has never been this enjoyable. Shark Cordless Vacuum. Designed to take home cleaning to the next level, this vacuum cleaner truly has unique features. Firstly, the CleanSense IQ technology detects unseen dirt and automatically increases power, resulting in up to 50% better dust pickup. And the CleanSense IQ indicator visually informs you when your floors are clean. Shark Cordless boasts the highest suction power of any Shark cordless stick vacuum. Hypervelocity Plus delivers the most suction power, and Duo Clean Power Fins Hair Pro dives deep into carpets, tackles hard floors, and picks up dirt, debris, and hair with every pass. Plus, no other cordless vacuum excels at picking up hair like this one. Thanks to its self-cleaning brush roll, you get powerful pet hair pickup without any hair wrap. The flexible wand allows you to bend it to clean under furniture or fold it over for compact, freestanding storage. And the LED display lets you monitor battery levels, select suction levels, and activate CleanSense IQ. With up to 60 minutes of runtime in eco mode, this vacuum cleaner with a removable battery can reach every corner of your home. And HEPA filtration and anti-allergen complete seal capture and trap over 99.9% of dust, allergens, and odors, keeping them out of the air you breathe. This product is truly a cleaning tool that every home needs. For more information, you can click the link. Cleaning has never been this enjoyable. Come on, let's take a step towards cleanliness together. Tineco Pure One S11. This vacuum cleaner truly boasts amazing features that make home cleaning a breeze. Firstly, thanks to its iLoop smart sensor technology, the Pure One S11 detects hidden dust and debris and adjusts suction power in real time. This gives you up to 2 times longer runtime and ensures thorough cleaning. With its powerful 130W ultra-quiet digital motor, you can clean quietly with minimal disturbance to your family and pets. With up to 40 minutes of runtime, the Pure One S11 is perfect for uninterrupted whole house cleaning. Its cordless and lightweight design allows the Pure One S11 to easily convert to a handheld vacuum, making it versatile for cleaning stairs, cars, furniture, and more. The color LED display and the Tineco app keep you connected to monitor cleaning progress, battery levels, and suction performance, providing you with an intelligent cleaning experience. The Tineco Pure One S11 is truly a miracle worker that simplifies home cleaning. For more information, you can click the link. Cleaning has never been this enjoyable. Let's take a step towards cleanliness together. There you have it, folks. The top 5 cordless vacuums that will revolutionize your cleaning routine. Which one caught your eye? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. Happy cleaning!